So hi everyone, this is just going to be me talking over the worksheet I gave you all today. It is about whether or not Pluto is a planet. So day one, that's today. We are going to form a hypothesis and do some research into this. So hypothesis, do you think that Pluto is a planet? This is a widely controversial topic. Opinions have changed all the time. Back when I was maybe a bit younger than you, Pluto was considered a planet, and so it is a fairly recent change that Pluto is now maybe not a planet. But make your hypothesis, make your claim, is Pluto a planet or not? And then once you have decided, so that just needs maybe a yes or no, maybe a little sentence saying, I think Pluto is or isn't a planet. Once you have decided, fill the tables in below with your research into these two topics. Only one or two references is needed, though you can include more if you want to. There is no upper limit. I'll be following guidelines in my plagiarism PowerPoint in the admin topic of the classroom for the summary of information. So basically, don't just copy paste. You need to do some sort of editing to the information to put it into this table. So first question is, what is the criteria for a celestial body to be a planet? Celestial body just means any mass, any form that is within space. And some of them happen to be planets, some of them are stars, they can be comets, all those are celestial bodies. And so you need to link to your references here, so whatever you decide, or whatever you link to, and then you need a summary of information from the website in your own words. This is similar to what you needed to do for the common test. So that is our first question. The second question, why is or isn't Pluto a planet? So same thing here, link to your references, summary of information below. So what does a celestial body need to do to be a planet? And why is or isn't Pluto a planet? You just need one or two or more references and their summaries, and then you're done. I will collate all of your research into one document for everyone to use in the next lesson. I will not be narrating that document because I believe it will be quite big, but I will collate it all together, and Monday you'll be writing something up about this. But that is all you need for this, so have fun.